Audio Demo 2021. Yo, what up, Fry? Girl, we're going out tonight. We make some bad choices. Oh, that's not a dead person? I hate your face. Also, you agree. Just kidding, it's a joke. Sweet, let's go. No way, girl. I'll get my jeans on. That's why it's starting you like the arcade, but let's go. Yeah, no, you like it. This wait's full of squares. Tee he got insulted. Hey, my group back. No, wait, the group is back. Not you'll be fine. I'm not doing hard time here. What you doing? 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 What to be? I know. Are you sure, Scootaloo? I never heard zipline before. It's either, but Zach told me it was awesome. Yay! Yeah. She's out pineapples, but still no cutie mark. Your cutie marks are here. We are the cutie mark crusaders on our quest to find out who we are. Now we'll never stop the journey. Now until we have our cutie marks. First we fought so fast, was so really sweet. New friends to have, citizens of the treat. Then we found the trophy, just so blowing from the east. And fell to the blowing from the east. Every friend we turn, he's just a step ahead. What else next? Oh yeah. Thanks for the help. Not too unhappy, right? Hey, that's his job. Hey, old man's shop. No, thank you! Well, Tail's done it again. Man, you're doing so cool. Can I buy for Fairy Tail's up? I can't believe he tricked me again. But awesome! He's gonna get me into Fairy Tail! They try and put me to sleep. Try me to sleep in the sleep potion. Open! Get in the Aquarius! I'm Earth to Sky. I return. Where's Master Makarov? He's watching.